Now, this is how you can turn on the message delivered tick marks on your iPhone whenever you are sending some message. So you need to know that it really depends on the Messenger app that you are using. For example, the WhatsApp has really nice ticks where just one tick means that the message has been sent, two ticks means delivered, and two blue ticks means that the message has been opened. However, different platforms have different interfaces. The iPhone iMessage, even though it works exactly the same, it tells you the exact same information, but it literally says it in a word, like in a text, right? So it says delivered, and then it says read. So there aren't gonna be any ticks available, right? There is gonna be the text, but in order to enable it on any platform, you need to get to the settings of that specific chat or wherever you are texting. And let's say in the Messages app of the iPhone in iMessage, when you get inside of the chats right there by clicking on the conversation, tap on the person at the top, and there is the button for Send Read Receipts. It just means that your messages will be marked by the red icon on other person's phone as well as there on your own. So if you both agree that you want to share it, then you will see when the message has been delivered and when it has been read. So you need to set it up this way and turn it on. Same thing in WhatsApp. If you open up the WhatsApp application and then head over to the settings, you can find the privacy section. And when you scroll down in there, you have the read receipts toggle as well. And you can also decide that you might want to have it turned on or off. As I say, pay attention to the little description there, because in this situation, it says that if you turn it off, you will not be able to see read receipts from other people as well. So this is just how it works. For group chats, you don't really have the ability to control it. But yeah, that's how you can turn it off. It changes and varies slightly by the platform, but you can enable it anywhere you use the messages. So thank you for watching. Hit the thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.